Hello everyone, I'm Adam from GoLogin, and today I'd like to present you our new feature, integration of Tor Network. Tor Network is a good tool for anonymous browsing and fighting censorship on the internet, and now you can use Tor Proxy in GoLogin, using all the features of this network, for example serve a darknet via onion links. So how can you do it? First go to the profile settings, to the proxy tab, then choose Tor Network as connection type, and choose country of proxy, for example, United States. Then save your profile and run it. So let's check if we can open on new links. It's our connection checker. Open new tab. Welcome to darknet. I hope I helped you, but if you still have any questions or suggestions, write a comment and I'll definitely answer you. Thanks for watching.